Hey everyone, welcome to Stuff Moms Have Time For. My name is Rebecca and today's video is going to be a sit down fall question tag video. I was just tagged by Katie Can't Even. I will link her channel in the description below so you can go check her out. She does really cute videos and has an adorable daughter. So please go check her out. And then I'm gonna be answering these 15 questions and then also tagging a few of my fellow YouTubers to do the tag as well. All right, so I'm gonna jump right in and start answering these questions. And the first one is, what is your favorite Halloween movie? Now, I feel like there are a lot of Halloween themed movies that I could say that I enjoy and like. I feel like a lot of people in this tag said Hocus Pocus was one of their favorite, but I'm gonna go way back to 1940s, I believe, and call my favorite Halloween Abbott and Costello's Hold That Ghost. I just remember watching it as a kid and it's a comedy, but it's also set in a spooky house and it's all about catching a ghost. And I loved it as a child and I still think that movie holds up today. So that is my favorite Halloween movie. So question number 2 is apple or pumpkin pie? And my answer for this one is going to be all the pies.
Pie. Obviously. Bring me some pie. You're gonna give me some pie. I killed Hitler. I think I deserve some pie.
All right, number 3, Halloween party or haunted house? Until I had children, I never really even enjoyed getting dressed up for Halloween. It became a totally different thing once I had kids because it was much more fun. But I didn't enjoy really getting dressed up for Halloween or going to parties. But I do think it would kind of be fun to go with some friends and do a haunted house that wasn't going to leave me having nightmares for weeks, because I do have a vivid imagination and I do get scared quite easily. But for this particular question, I think I'm going to go with the haunted house. Number 4 is a store-bought pumpkin or a pumpkin from a pumpkin patch. Ideally, I would love to take the kids to a pumpkin patch, and we have done that the last few years, but it's also been so warm that the times that we've gone, the pumpkins were all kind of rotted in the heat. So we did have a bad experience with some rotten pumpkins when we've gone in the past. This year, we did do pumpkin carving, but we just bought the pumpkins from a store. Number 5, favorite fall scent. I'm going to have a combination of scents here. It's going to be orange, clove, and cinnamon. I really love those smells together. I feel like it's a fall and winter scent in general, and I like just making it on my stovetop and then boiling some water and letting the smell fill my house. It's my favorite smell during fall for sure. So number 6 is your favorite fall drink. I am gonna go 100% with hot apple cider and rum. I have a great recipe for hot apple cider rum, orange and clove in my crock pot. It is such a warm and cozy drink. I might even do a video on it. If anybody wants to see that, let me know. I love hot apple cider with rum in the winter. 7 is Halloween or Thanksgiving. So which do you prefer? I am gonna go Thanksgiving. The last few years we have hosted Thanksgiving at our house. Our friend Ed from England is actually coming to visit us this year, and he has been here for Thanksgiving before. So my husband likes to go all out and cook and do this magnificent spread for Thanksgiving, and all the family comes over to our house and we just eat a ton and we sit and watch football, and then usually that weekend we also decorate the house for Christmas together. So I do prefer Thanksgiving to Halloween. Most loved pumpkin-based food, probably pumpkin bread. Pumpkin bread is just so hearty and comforting that that's probably my absolute favorite thing to have pumpkin in it, is pumpkin bread. Number 9 is, would you rather go on a corn maze or would you rather go on a haunted hayride? Cornfields freak me out a little bit. I don't know, there's just too many horror movies with cornfields in it, and no corn.
Oh my
girl in the truck staring at me.
Favorite candy to eat on Halloween? Reese's peanut butter cups, hands down. If my kids bring any of those home, they're gone. Question number 11, what is your favorite childhood memory of the fall? Probably apple picking with my grandparents. I do remember them coming out apple picking with us quite a bit when I was younger, and then I have no idea what happened to apples after that. I was quite young. So that's probably one of my favorite memories of fall specifically. My favorite Thanksgiving food is pie. Did I say how much I love pie? If it had to be actually traditional food, like at the dinner table, then the answer is stuffing. My husband makes a really good stuffing that he got as a recipe from his mother, and it's fabulous. So stuffing is my favorite Thanksgiving food. Sweaters or scarves? Well, I do prefer cozy sweaters. I'm wearing a cozy sweater right now. But I do have a ridiculous collection of scarves that I probably should utilize more. But if I had to go with sweaters versus scarves, I would go with cozy sweaters for the fall. Number 14 is wool socks or slippers. I'm gonna say both again with this because I do like wearing socks sometimes, but I do like wearing slippers with soles so I can walk around the house or go take the garbage out or get the mail too. So double cozy is good. Socks plus slippers. Your feet can never suffocate enough. And then the last question is number 15. What is your favorite fall tradition? So I love a lot of the traditions. I love going out trick-or-treating with my kids. I love the Thanksgiving dinner and apple picking, and all of that stuff is great. But my favorite fall tradition is actually a Christmas tradition, which is usually the day after Thanksgiving. We take all the decorations down and decorate our house for Christmas, and then begins the Christmas season. So that tradition still is fall in my mind because it's the day after Thanksgiving. So that is my favorite. Turning over the house to get ready for Christmas is my favorite fall tradition. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you to Katie for tagging me. I will also be tagging a couple YouTubers in the description below, and I will tag them on Instagram as well. So please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I have some really good cake DIY and desserts for fall coming very shortly, as well as getting back on my cocktail game, which I have been missing out pretty much all summer. So I will be posting a few new cocktails for the fall as well. Also, I have been working really hard the last 2 weeks to kind of revamp my website entirely. I will put a link to the website below. It is completely changed and everything is kind of a little bit more rebranded. So I will also be posting on there much more frequently in the near future. So check that out if you haven't already. Until next time, I will see you guys then.